the sleepy village of Lesser Babbingsford, a quiet, undisturbed outlet of tranquility in the middle of the moor. Writers of many generations have sought these rugged hills as a source of solace, a playground in which the imagination can run wild. Henry Dickensworth, seen here with his wife, the lovely Elizabeth, is just one of these writers tragically wrought over life's big questions. Enamoured with the surroundings that brought in so many romantics before him, Henry seeks to comprehend these complexities in his debut novel. Elizabeth, no doubt inspired by her husband, is even having a go at writing too. But let it be said, Henry is more than just a thinker. This well-rounded specimen is an excellent family man too.
Elizabeth, did you pack the cutlery?
Yes, I did. Check the inner compartment.
I have. It's really not in here.
It is. I packed it myself, Henry.
Elizabeth, I'm not joking.
It's okay, Henry. I believe you.
Don't throw the bags around like that, Henry.
I'm not throwing the bags. It's really not in here. Oh, wait. I found it.
Yes. Well?
It must have gone under my radar.
Well, it happens to the best of us. Bless her. It's always good to see a keen amateur having a go. She may not understand the intricacies of the English language, but she never forgets to tidy up her litter. And whilst lunch is enough to distract any of us, there are more pressing matters at stake. Henry's much-anticipated debut must take priority.
We all know Henry and his artistic endeavours.
Just look at how immersed he is. Henry knows just how to make sense of the chaos. A few too many legs, perhaps, but otherwise inspired work.
Speak to me!
His first-class observations of the natural environment are a sure sign of his genius. But what's this, Henry? Litter? Did you not know that if you disrespect the wilds of Dartmoor, it has a way of fighting back? It's easy to see how one can be inspired by nature. But after 6 months, Henry's debut novel has been met with confusion and bewilderment. Who knew that Dartmoor had so many laser-eyed death ray cats? In contrast, who would have believed that Elizabeth's little book, The Housewife's Guide to Outdoing Your Husband's Painful Mediocrity, Ditch Your Man and Start Your Plan, would have had so much success? We knew you could do it, Elizabeth, all along.